This is the Sugared Expressions stamp set from Spellbinders. There are 11 stamped sentiments in this set, perfect for any baking themed creation. We have You're My Batter Half, Better Late Than Never, Sorry for the Mix-Up, You Bake the World Better, Just Roll With It, Whisking You a Great Birthday, You Stir Are Fabulous, Give Me Some Sugar, You Batter Get Well, Nothing a Little Cookie Dough Can't Cure, and You Count Not Calories. This is such a fun one for some great punny sentiments to go with baking themed items. This is part of the Make It and Bake It collection, so it works really well with all of the pieces in that collection, but you could easily use it with others as well. With any clear stamp set, I always use a white eraser on the stamping surface to remove any possible manufacturing residue before using it. You can use it with a variety of different inks and cardstocks, and you can even heat emboss those sentiments. Perfect to add to those creations to create some cards that have some really punny sentiments to them. I always love sentiments that have some variation or are a little bit punny here. These are the finished cards that I use, and I use these sentiments on each one of these creations. It works really well with that theme, and I love the little script that they use to create these as well. There's so much fun variety in this set. And again, it's so perfect to go with those baking or cooking themed things. I could easily see this as an accessory with a little mini album that has some baking recipes in it, or to stamp on the side of recipes as well. Fun set. I love the little puns that are in them. Perfect for these creations.